When you need to create a discrete minimal transition between different floor coverings, the Schluter SCHIENE profile is the perfect solution. Not only does SCHIENE protect tile edges, but it can also be used where tile is bordered by carpet, or even as a decorative edging for stairs. The profile is available in a variety of materials and finishes. Need to create curves in the floor design? The anchoring leg of the SCHIENE is available with a special radius perforation, so that the profile can be used to create those curves. This versatility makes SCHIENE an ideal choice for many floor transitions. We all know that planning is important with any tile installation. It's even more critical when working with profiles. It's the key to a successful project. In our demonstration, we'll be installing tile adjacent to carpet. We have selected the tile, the carpet, and the profiles, and determined the overall layout. We will be using SCHIENE to finish and protect the tile edges bordering the carpet. We selected the profile size according to the thickness and format of the tile. In addition to tile setting tools, be sure to gather the appropriate cutting tools for the profiles. Different tools will be required depending on what profile material you are using. For SCHIENE in aluminum, we will be using a chop saw or miter saw with a non-ferrous blade. Aluminum profiles can also be cut using a variable speed angle grinder with the Schluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel. A third option is to simply use a hacksaw with a bimetal blade. With the planning complete, let's prepare for the installation. Our floor has already been prepared to receive tile, including the installation of the Schluter Ditra uncoupling membrane. First, we'll measure where the SCHIENE profile will be installed. Then, transfer the measurement to the profile. Keep in mind that we must avoid any overlap of the profile anchoring legs, because this will interfere with the tile installation. We will make a miter cut where the SCHIENE profiles meet. Remember to always observe all safety instructions and standards. We cut the SCHIENE using a miter saw with a non-ferrous blade. For best results, cut the profile slowly. An accurate cut ensures a clean transition. Then, file the cut end of the profile to remove any burrs. Dry fit the profile before moving forward. Once the profiles have been cut and dry fit, we can move on to the installation. Now we'll demonstrate the proper installation of the SCHIENE profile in a floor application. The sequence may vary depending on the layout and installer preference. SCHIENE is installed at the same time as the tiles. Using a notch trowel, apply thin-set mortar to the area where the SCHIENE profile will be installed. Firmly press the anchoring leg of the profile into the thin-set mortar. Next, we trowel additional thin-set mortar over the anchoring leg. This is necessary to ensure full coverage and support of the tile edges. Solidly embed the tiles into the thin-set mortar so that the tiled surface is flush with the top of the profile. Set the tile up to the integrated joint spacer. This will provide a uniform grout joint. Keep in mind that the stainless steel SCHIENE does not have an integrated joint spacer, so you will need to leave a space of approximately 1/16 to 1/8 inch. Don't forget to remove excess setting material immediately from the profile to avoid any damage to the finish. The next piece of SCHIENE is installed the same way. Take care to align the profiles, paying close attention to the area where the profiles meet. We complete the SCHIENE installation by installing the remaining tiles. As you can see, not only will SCHIENE protect tile edges in floor applications, it also provides discreet and elegant transitions between floor coverings. Another great innovation from Schluter-Systems.